If a plus b is equal to 405 degree, then the value of cot a by 1 plus cot a into cot b by 1 plus cot b. There are four choices. First choice A 1, second choice B 1/3, third choice C 2, fourth choice D half. Here first write the given condition if a plus b is equal to 405. So writing first a plus b, that is equal to 405 degree. We have to find the value of cot a by 1 plus cot a into cot b by 1 plus cot b. See, cot a and cot b should be separated. That is, cot a and cot b, either cot a should be found out in terms of cot b or cot b in terms of cot a. So we can do by this way, writing this a is equal to 405 degree. From here we will find cot a. 405 degree minus b is there. Operate both sides cot. That means cot a is equal to cot 405 degree minus b. Here we are writing operating cot on both sides. Operating cot on both sides. Now see, we have to reduce this in terms of acute angle. Here 405 degree greater than 360 degree. We know that this angle 360 degree plus theta, all positive, sine and cosec positive, tan cot cos sec. So we will express this 360 plus theta, because 405 degree is near about 360 degree. So writing this cot A, that is equal to cot of 360 degree plus 45 degree. It is obvious. If we add 45 degree with 360 degree, obviously we will get 405 degree. 45 degree minus B. Consider this is a single term as theta. Next, use the formula 360 degree plus theta. That is known that 360 degree plus theta cot of this, as it is falling in the first quadrant, so cot will remain cot, cot will remain cot. Theta means in this case 45 degree minus B. Now here we have written theta, so we will write simply theta as a formula. So, or cot of A, that is equal to cot of 45 degree minus B. 45 degree minus B. Here we may think compound angle, 45 degree one angle, other angle is B. So use compound angle formula. Compound angle formula known that cot of A, here minus, we are writing formula plus minus B, that is equal to cot A cot B Whenever it is plus, that will be minus. Whenever minus, plus 1 cot B. Here plus will be minus cot A. Plus minus. Here minus plus plus minus. So we use the formula minus case. So left hand side as it is cot A, that is equal to cot, this is not 40 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, cot B, here minus, so we will use plus 1 cot B, here plus, here will be minus cot A, means 45 degree. So these equation will be reduced to, or cot A, that is equal to cot 45 degree 1, it is known that. So writing simply cot B plus 1 by cot B minus 1. See next how to do. In the question there is cot A by 1 plus cot A dot cot B by 1 plus cot B. So we have to do such that we get 1 plus cot A. First 1 plus cot A, that means 1 added to the left, similarly 1 added to the right, to maintain the equality. Now right hand side simplify, 1 plus cot A left hand side as it is, that is equal to cot B minus 1 plus cot B plus 1 by cot B minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So after simplification it will be reduced to cot A, that is equal to cot B 2 cot B by cot B minus 1. See, we have to find out cot A by 1 cot A dot or into cot B by 1 plus cot B. So if we divide, first name it equation number 1 and the last equation number 2. So if we divide 1 by 2, we will get cot A by 1 plus cot A. Other part automatically should be coming out, or we have to see what can be done. So here what we will do, one divided by 2, we have, what we have, 1 cot A left hand side, cot A, what is left hand side of 2, 1 plus cot A, what will be right hand side of 1 cot B plus 1 by cot B minus 1. divided by this fraction by fraction into interchange numerator and denominator. So that will be cot b minus 1 to cot of b. See, cot b minus 1 and cot b minus 1 will get cancelled, or left hand side as it is. If we transpose these, except these two numbers to the left, what will be this? Cot b, denominator in the come out to the numerator, by it will be denominator in the denominator, cot b plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. Rearranging as we are to find out, what we will write? Cot a by 1 plus cot a dot or into cot b 1 plus cot b, that is equal to half. Therefore the required value of this, therefore the required value of, but the value of cot a 1 plus cot a into cot b 1 plus cot b is half. Therefore the answer is D. So the answer is D. So this is the end. Thank you. If you have not subscribed this channel, you should subscribe this channel for getting the notification of uploaded videos. Again, thank you.